Hello folks, I know it's been a while and I apologize for that. Some interesting things are coming up on the Bitwig website here, and I thought I would just jump in to have a little peek at them. Bitwig 2.3. Okay, so they're releasing this. Okay, let's just have a look real quick at what they're gonna do to us, and then let's look specifically at what they're gonna do to me. Okay, so it looks like we're getting a new synth, a new what you may call it, a new instrument, which is pretty sweet because you know how I like those. And that's cool. Inspiration from the DX7. That's pretty sweet. I hope it's like, you know, they're gonna get some good retro sounds out of that, which we all know is the thing. How good are their videos, by the way? Don't you love those? Some things I'm pretty stoked about is like how they're gonna let you break out of the small device view and come up here. See that? And look at that for the EQ. That's gonna be great. Time signature changes. That's big time. That's huge for live people. So I'm pretty stoked about that. Maybe we can move a lot of people from Ableton over to Bitwig. Time stretching. That's another huge thing. I'm curious about what Z-plane or Z-plane elastique algorithms sound like. I've never heard of them. I don't know anything about them, so I can't wait to play with those. I'm curious what this here is all about. But well, you know me. I'm obviously gonna jump into that. Effects selector and instrument selector. Again, that's gonna be like a big thing for live people. To me, it's amazing that this isn't already in there. Voice stacking. This will be from, well, it's gonna tax your computer, as you can read down here. I mean, you can check all this stuff out yourself, but I can't imagine it's gonna be any more taxing than what, like, say, Serum is gonna be. It already is on your computer, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. But it's not why I actually wanted to jump on here. Look at this. Let's go back up to the top. It is planned for the end of February. Okay, now let's just give me 1 sec here, and I'm gonna go and log in. Check this out. So I had to zoom the page in because I didn't want to share all my, serial codes and whatnot. Look at this. My upgrade plan is active until February 28th, 2018 at 11:30 a.m. So basically the update comes out at the end of February, and my subscription runs out at the end of February. So the race is on. Is the update going to come out before I lose my subscription or not? Because that'll really suck. Like I'll definitely get the beta, but I want the full version, and I don't want to have to pay for it. And I know what you're thinking. You're going, but Alex, you should be making money on YouTube by now. So why can't you just use that to pay for it? Well, let's take a look at that. YouTube sent me an email, and it's never good when YouTube sends you an email and they say this: your YouTube channel is no longer eligible for monetization. So you need 4,000 hours in the last 12 months and 1,000 subscribers, which you think that's pretty easy, and it's not actually too bad, right? Not that I'm making any money really. Anyway, look at that, $53 in total. All the hours and work of making all the videos, putting them on YouTube to teach people Bitwig has amounted to $53.15, which I'll actually never get because you have to reach $100 minimum before they'll pay you out, which doesn't matter anyway because I'm not going to reach that, because if we go here and we look at the watch time minutes, I'm at 29,000, and it says that I need 4,000 hours. So let's have a look here. Let's do a little bit of math. Bust out the calculator. Okay, I need 240,000 minutes in the last year. This is actually the wrong time. Let's go to, let's see, the last 365 days. 200,108. And I need 240,000. So I'm pretty close right now. That means I have 200,108 divided by 60. That means I have 3,335 hours of watch time in the last year. So that's pretty freaking close. Also, you need 1,000 subscribers. So let's see. Just go. Look at that. 939 subscribers. So pretty close. I'm pretty close at missing the Bitwig update, and I'm also very close to missing monetization, which will pay for the Bitwig update if I can ever get the money out of YouTube, which I probably never will, because let's face it, I'm going to get 20 new subscribers and however many thousand more minutes of watch time in the next 10 or so days. I'm not so sure about that. So anyway, now you might see how I have slowed down the Bitwig videos in the last little while, but I'm going to try and pick them up, and I think I got something new coming up for you guys. I hope you like it. Hope you check it out. Okay? All right, kids. We'll see you in the next one. Ciao.